Hello guys, I am going to teach you how to connect OVPN in Hack the Box using Kali Linux. Now first of all open the Kali Linux operating system in your laptop or any inside the VirtualBox. Here I am using the VirtualBox. You can see that our Kali Linux is opened. Here guys. If you don't know how to install VirtualBox and Kali Linux in VirtualBox, you can check it out in my channel. Then you can install it. Don't worry guys, I will give the link of that video in description below. From there you can watch it. Now, go to any browser. Here I am using Firefox. And type Hack the Box and search it. Now here. Go to the first link. Don't worry. I will give you the link of this website in description below. You can easily check it out from there. Here. If you are a new user, then you have to create an account. So click the Join Us button and proceed as per the instructions, and if you already created account, then click on Sign In button and log in into the Hack the Box. Here you can see that, here. Click on Connect on HTTP and select Machine. And then click on OVPN. Now you have to choose the server for Hack the Box. Here I am using US server. And here also you have to choose the server for VPN. Here I choose also US server and select the UDP 1337. And click on Download OVPN. Here it is downloading. Click on Save File and it will download it. Now go to Terminal and then Downloads and check the file. Here you can see the OVPN file. And now, type OpenVPN and space and then location of this file where the file is located. I already copied the path or address. So I'm just copying it. After the path, you have to type the file name, which was downloaded before. Here, in my laptop, I type openvpn/home/sandeep/lab_sandeep7772_ovpn. And now simply click on Enter. It will take some time. And here guys, we are successfully connect to the OVPN in Hack the Box. So guys, you want more videos about the Hack the Box, so please subscribe the channel. And in our next video, we are going to use Hack the Box. So guys, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you guys.